This garlic herb butter is all you need to transform your recipes. Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button. So today, fam, we're gonna be doing garlic herb butter. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, the first thing we're going to be doing is to chop our spices. Make sure you chop them as fine as possible and then set it aside. So fam, now that we've chopped our spices, let's go ahead and add our butter into a mixing bowl. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. Use a spatula and gently mix everything together. Add in your green spices, garlic powder, fresh garlic, and salt. So fam, the last ingredient you want to add is your lemon juice. Once that is done, our garlic butter is ready. But hold on, what is garlic butter without some garlic bread? So fam, in order for us to do our garlic butter bread, let's go ahead and use any type of bread of our choice. Just put holes in it and fill it up with your garlic herb butter. Now that we have filled up our bread with garlic herb butter, we're gonna freeze it for an hour or overnight depending on how long you want it, and then take it out of the refrigerator, pull the slices apart, and toast it for about 20 minutes. So fam, we're going to transfer our garlic herb butter to a baking sheet and freeze it. You could freeze it for as long as you want. Once it's frozen, it's going to be easy to slice those little chunks that you could use in any meal. There we go fam, our garlic herb butter is ready, and also our garlic butter bread. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a treat. Thank you so much, family, for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.